Switch the Inquisitor, please.
Kill them in my master's name. The vessel must be made ready.
Spell.
Make ashes of you. Burn from within. Ashes of you. Burn from within. Failed heroes. The ritual is upon us. But first, I'll indulge myself a bit and finish you. A taste of the Master's might. For Sargeras.
Spread out for the eye.
Innovate.
Power given forth. Make ashes of you.
Kill me.
My will is
Oops, started that thing
will never escape my grasp.
Hey, you just don't do it.
Yeah, no way.
Rid me of these pests.
We take it back just so we're still in sync with the other pulls.
Yeah.
Reset when you can.
Okay, you can hit this, the good bear.
Next one's empowered.
Turn boss on its side, watch out melee.
Power
Spread.
2 feet.
my will is unbreakable.
Reset.
Make ashes of you.
Then again. Oh, careful melee. Again.
My will is unbreakable.
Spread out.
Need help with turn that.
Ashes of you.
I'm drinking.
The actual green shit's there.
One by one.
Bench inside. You need a smooth or we're going to be alright for now.
Just move towards green when we move. We're fine for now though. We don't need to move yet. After the next fight we do.
My will is unbreakable.
And you have to mute. We'll get you next.
After eyes, yeah?
Wait, yeah, eyes first.
Resetting.
I'll lower the next spell.
Kill them
Help him now.
in my master's name.
Let me get this and then I'll come back and reset.
And again.
Make ashes of you.
Move the boss more.
is unbreakable.
Don't soak with me.
Go to those lanterns.
Quick. Go, go, go. Okay, eye coming up. Spread out.
Innovate me on this.
Okay. Health bar coming up, so be in a good spot.
I'll revival this.
Good spot.
Move
Move
it.
the boss more.
Bond's coming.
Move a lot, we've got fell bonds coming up.
You got 2 stacks.
Range start moving out.
Is unbreakable.
I got them.
Keep moving.
Resetting.
No more distractions. Surrender. I may yet.
That's orange, you know.
Yeah.
Get to the correct side. 5 seconds.
I'm gonna
Use
get
Zotan.
stacks. Thanks, Tom.
Spread out for the eye.
Clear me.
Haunted. Trying to get that Tazzy, it just needs to ignore me until it moves. We're right here, or do I need to move further back?
There's
Keep
quite
moving.
some souls
Keep
still.
moving. Keep moving. You're getting one now.
I will try this harvest.
Group 2, please get in this. Or whoever, not group 2, but
going to get one.
Andy, Joe, Zeroku.
Beware.
Yeah, it's good then. One might have taken 2 by mistake. Dawn's good.
Yeah, I took 2.
Okay, flame patches, so get close to the edge. Okay, storm coming in 3 seconds.
Putting up a gateway before this, mate.
Beware.
Comes raw.
Bring death upon
Bro.
you.
It's gonna be a one in sort of awkward spot, but it's okay.
We get fires instantly.
Yep. Get screwed.
You have an eye really soon as well.
Spread out.
It's where you're gonna use personals if you got them.
Seconds.
I'll get the soul in a second.
And
Clear me.
soaks when you can.
I'm coming now.
Time to soak some.
Melee gets some. Melee gets some man.
You on him?
Don't stack on the souls.
Spread out man. Flames
Clear
coming.
me.
Flames coming. Get ready.
This harvest accused him.
Licky Zotan.
If we need the aura.
Alora's yeah, just be safe.
Black Harvest. Personals. Rally. Oh god, that fire.
Resisting.
Storm, get ready for storm. Get ready for storm. We just moved to the opposite side of the room.
Clear
We're good.
now. Oh, you've been there.
Res Tay. Res Daunty. Res Tay.
Beware.
Move to the other side of the room, guys.
Go through the middle if you need to.
Don't
there's
worry
an
about
eye-
soaking,
Spread,
just
spread
burn
out
the
this
boss.
side. Spread out because there's an eye coming. He's not going to move over quickly. Get on the eye.
I have revival for this eye.
Okay. Only if we need
Reset
it
if
though.
it.
Yeah, yeah,
You have innovate
Careful.
if you need it too.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get fire now, I think.
Yep, fire.
Save
Just get ready.
revival.
Melee, get ready for fire. Fuck off, melee.
Seconds.
It's just,
No,
we
No,
don't
no,
do
no.
the next
Don't worry about the
harvest,
side.
yeah?
We just need boss. Just need
Stop me.
boss.
Stop me.
Get ready for fire. We
Innovate me
need
now,
to switch to
Sarah.
this eye. We have to switch to this eye.
Don't be
Everyone switch
set
to
on
the
Take
eye.
it.
Switch to the eye.
Yeah, wall.
Revival do what you need to. Revival now.
Yeah.
You have to just burn the boss now.
You've got set.
Immunities through the next harvest.
Healers
as well.
DPS.
Just burning.
Don't die to the storm. Though, don't die to the storm.
Okay, I wasn't for people that died.
Roaring.
It's not last expansions in it, is there?
It's gonna harvest
not?
now, so immunity.
He's gonna die. He's gonna die.
Bubble, anything?
Oh, thank
fuck! Yeah.
Resisting.
Yeah?
Good job, guys. Enjoy
Oh my
the-
god, I DC'd.
DC'd!
Fuck jump! Oh my god, epic
Oh,
cinematic!
fuck you as well. Holy shit.
Bloody
Jesus
shit.
Christ, Aaron.
Good job, boys. That was a really, really nice clean kill.
Whose dick did you suck, Zero? What the fuck?
Shit loot on
Is
the
that? Is that?
No,
I don't need
sucking
to. I don't even need to
Gul'dan
cancel the cutscene. Is that another legendary?
No.
No, he got a 9-turn trinket.
Oh, grats, Clarity. Is
Okay.
that the really insane trinket?
Yeah. The one that
Zero-
Zero coined.
Zero got a better one.
Oh, mate, that's good. More trinkets, please. We want
Has
to
he
mythic
got dropped?
progress.